Good morning. How are you all? Today we are going to talk about an implicit differentiation problem. But before I get started, let me tell you what's available here on this channel. We have solved all kinds of math problems, differentiations, integrations, and statistics, algebra, everything all for you. So please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner, because then you'll have access to all kinds of math problems solved just for you. Okay, so let's get started. Problem: find derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx by implicit differentiation. Square root of xy is equal to x minus 4y. So square root of xy, we are going to do the derivative with respect to x, but implicit differentiation. So it is root x by divided by 2 root y comes from derivative of y, 2 root y in the denominator, times y prime, because square root of y derivative is 1 over 2 square root of y, and then you are left with y prime, plus next you're going to do the derivative of x with respect to x in the left hand side of the equation. So you'll be left with root y divided by 2 root of x. Again, the explanation is square root of x, its derivative with respect to x is 1 over 2 square root of x, is equal to, that's the left side. The right side, derivative of x with respect to x is 1 minus 4, derivative of y with respect to x is y prime. Okay, so let's do some simplification on the left hand side. We will multiply the numerator of the first term on the left hand side by 2 square root of x, and we'll also multiply the denominator of that first term by 2 square root of x, and leave everything else alone. Plus we will multiply the second term by 2 square root of x in the numerator, and in the, 2 square root of y in the numerator and in the denominator. So you see 2 square root of y multiplied in the numerator in the second term, and 2 square root of y also multiplied in the denominator, is equal to 1 minus 4y prime. The right hand side does not change. Now, because we have the same common denominator, 2 square root of y, 2 square root of x in the denominator of the term on the left hand side, which is which is basically we get 2 square root of xy is equal to square root of x square. Remember, 1, 2 in the numerator cancels with 1, 2 in the denominator. That's why we have square root of x times square root of x is square root of x square in the first term, divided by 2 square root of xy. And then, of course, we have the y prime, plus, again, 1, 2 in the numerator cancels with 1, 2 in the denominator in the second term. So in the numerator, we have square root of y squared divided by 2 square root of xy. So we simplify the first term, since the common denominator is the same, it's 2 square root of xy. The first term becomes square root of x squared is x, and then y prime plus y divided by 2 square root of xy is equal to 1 minus 4y. Okay, 4y prime, I'm sorry. So multiplying both sides by 2 square root of xy, we get xy prime plus y, 2 square root of xy in the numerator, and the denominator on the left hand side will cancel. Remember, we are multiplying by 2 square root of xy in the numerator on both sides, and 2 square root of xy distributed to 1 will be 2 square root of xy minus 4 times 2 is 8 square root of xy times y prime. Okay, now we transfer minus 8 square root of xy times y prime on the left hand side, because we want to keep the terms containing y prime on the left hand side of the equal to sign. So we have xy prime plus 8 square root of xy is equal to 2 square root of xy, and the y from the left hand side goes to the right side with a minus sign, 2 square root of xy minus y. Now we take the common factor y prime out on the left hand side. So y prime outside the parenthesis, inside the parenthesis, x plus 8 square root of xy is equal to 2 square root of xy minus y. Hence, if we divide by x plus 8 square root of xy on both sides, we get y prime is equal to 2 square root of xy minus y divided by x plus 8 square root of xy. Now, in the original problem, remember square root of xy is given as x minus 4y. So we will substitute that value for square root of xy in the numerator and in the denominator. Hence, y prime is equal to 2 square root of xy. I write x minus 4y minus y, and divided by x plus 8 for square root of xy, I write x minus 4y. Now I will distribute the 2 in the numerator in the first term. So it's 2x minus 8y minus y divided by x plus 8 is distributed to the second term. 8x minus 8 times 4 is 32y. Hence, y prime is equal to 2x minus 9y in the numerator divided by x plus 8x is 9x minus 32y. That is your final answer for y prime. Okay. So because we wanted to find dy by dx. So dy by dx or y prime is equal to 2x minus 9y divided by 9x minus 32y. I will stop here today. If you have any comment, you can write it and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. You can also communicate with me by WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is at the third line in the description of this video. And I'm coming back next time with another derivative problem. So please come back next time. I'll see you. Take care. Have a nice day. And thanks for watching. See you next time.